Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your Netflix subscription and device capabilities. Pick a plan that supports 4K and higher bitrates, such as the premium plan at $5.99 per month. Netflix recommends at least 25 Mbps for a single 4K stream to avoid buffering and quality drops. Check device compatibility. Use a smart TV or streaming player that supports 4K and HEVC decoding. If your device is older than 5 years, consider upgrading to a device with HDMI 2.0 and a video processor that handles HDR and higher dynamic range. Next, optimize your home network for consistent throughput. Use a wired Ethernet connection when possible to minimize latency and packet loss. If using Wi-Fi, connect to the 5 GHz band and position the router within 6 to 10 feet of the viewing area, avoiding obstructions. Run a speed test and aim for at least 25 Mbps per 4K stream or 5 Mbps per HD stream. Restart the router and modem monthly, and limit other heavy uploads or downloads during viewing to reduce contention and buffering. Finally, configure the Netflix app and your hardware for peak performance. Set Netflix playback settings to high to allow available higher bitrates and quality, and sign out then back in to apply changes. Update the Netflix app and device firmware to the latest version to enable codec and DRM improvements. Use HDMI 2.0 or later and a compatible cable for 4K HDR. Prefer hardware decoders for HEVC to lower CPU load. Clear app cache if playback stalls, and reboot the streaming device before long viewing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.